Hello, finance-loving hamster friends. Did you know that social media can significantly boost your business? People spend hours scrolling through reels, and many have heard about folks earning from their posts. But how exactly does that work? Today, I've prepared a video for you that explains all the ins and outs. So keep your ears perked. Let's uncover what it's all about.
Number one, you need to look at the companies that are located in a 20-mile radius where you live and find HR people or their CEOs on LinkedIn and send them messages. So if there's an office 3 minutes from you and you see it's called Logitech, literally find them on LinkedIn and send them a message and say you're a new catering company in the area and would they like to talk. You also want to search your town on Instagram. So like, I'm going to show you. I'm tired of people not doing stuff. What town are you in?
San Jose.
Yep, San Jose. So literally, I'm searching San Jose on Instagram, then I hit Reels, and now I'm looking at content from San Jose, and I'm seeing people. I can click that content, get a sense of who that person is, and I see this guy, ironically, he does food, and literally he has 178,000 followers, and I could message him and say, I'm a caterer in the area, or I got a vegetable stand, do you want to do something together? So notice, so far I have not talked to you about content, I've talked to you about messaging strategy. LinkedIn and Instagram searching your town. After that, you need to make content that is just about what you sell and what you make. By the way, GaryVee.com/attention. I made a 47-page deck for free, and it will show you how to do content in detail.
Wow, I think you won't find more detailed instructions than this. It might seem that becoming successful in digital marketing requires years of education and loads of practice. However, as we saw in the video, it's really just about being savvy with search tools and knowing how to find potential partners for collaboration. So, next time you're scrolling through social media, remember this clip and use these skills to attract a ton of clients. Don't miss out on new episodes to learn even more awesome tricks. See you in the next video. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. Greetings, my dear hamsters. Let me ask you straight up. What's your relationship with money like? Are you on top of every penny in your account and love counting your savings at night? There's a stereotype that wealthy people can only think about money and how to multiply it. Well, today I want to show you a rather unusual video that challenges this notion. Let's dive in and take a look.
How much money do you make?
I don't know.
You gotta have an idea.
I have a money guy, but when I first signed him 15 years ago, I go, I don't want to know how much money I have. I don't want to live in a world where I'm like, always looking at my bank account, worried and this and that. So, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I pay for my mortgage. I don't know what I pay for my car.
Wow.
I don't know what insurance costs. I don't know what my light utility costs. All that's taken care of.
Every bill?
Every bill. Phone bill. I don't even know where to go to do it.
You curious?
No. Because if the number's really low, I'll just be
Yeah.
depressed and I'll start panicking.
Sure.
I go, I need to do more. But if you don't know, then you just kind of I just live my life. Like I asked my money guy, I go, how long can I not work until I run out of money?
Yeah.
And he goes, a long, long time.
Quite an interesting approach to managing one's budget, isn't it? I'd probably also like to not think about money at all, but I'm afraid that's not feasible for me. As soon as I have some extra capital, I immediately start thinking about where to invest it. This lifestyle likely suits those who already have plenty of money in reserve. Otherwise, you might one day go to your money guy only to find out you're bankrupt. Scary thought. Would you want to forget about money forever? Or rather, could you? Share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next episode, friends. And remember, hamsters are power, one for all and all for one.